listening to the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm your host, Justin Vacula, here to help you travel the world at next to no cost with credit card points, miles, benefits, and rewards. Make money, save money, and take advantage of great deals. Today's episode focuses on the Chase Inc. Preferred Business Credit Card, which includes a massive welcome bonus of 100,000 points after $8,000 in spend in 3 months. This welcome bonus is worth $1,000 cash or $1,500 or more for travel, a high return of spend of about 12% to about 18% or more for a low annual fee of $95. Chase improved the Inc. Preferred bonus from the old spending requirement, which was $15,000, so now is a great time to profit from this likely limited time offer. Rather than using the same old credit card, giving maybe a 1 or 2% return on most spending, or worst yet, cash or debit, it's wise to add new credit cards to your wallet to get high welcome bonuses, travel benefits, bonuses on spending categories, and much more. Since 2018, I've opened numerous personal and business credit cards, shifting my spending to new cards to get what I consider to be very easy rewards from multiple banks. Rewards, especially from welcome bonuses, have significantly impacted my life, amounting to plenty of vacations I would not have paid for out of pocket. I've also earned lots of cash back. Not only is most of my travel next to no cost, but I also often travel with better accommodations, enjoying nice hotels, seat upgrades on flights, free food, status with various travel loyalty programs, and much more. In August of 2023, the Chase Inc. Preferred is one of the best available offers on the market, especially when considering the 100,000 point welcome offer. Make the system work for you rather than being worked by the system. In addition to the 100K welcome offer, the Chase Inc. Preferred credit card offers 3x points on categories including shipping, advertising on social media and search engines, internet, cable, phone services, and travel. Non-category spending earns 1x points. Points can be cashed out for 1 cent per point, so the 100K welcome offer is worth $1,000, but I'd recommend using points for travel because you get better value. I usually transfer my Chase points to the World of Hyatt hotel program and get about 1.5 cents per point, and often more, so 100,000 points would easily be worth more than $1,500 for travel. Points transfers are very easy as you link your Hyatt account when logged into Chase's website or app. Select how many points you want to transfer. You can also transfer to other travel partners for decent value, including United, Air Canada, Southwest, or you can simply use the Chase Travel Portal for a fixed value of 1.5 cents per point to book travel. As this is a business card, it helps to have an established business of a year or more and good personal credit with scores in the mid to high 700s. If you're just starting a business, consult your tax advisor and perhaps consider establishing an LLC through a website like Incfile, INCFILE, or going the sole proprietor route for ease. However, taking shortcuts like sole proprietor can lead to credit denials or reconsideration calls with Chase and other banks. A business, though, doesn't have to make a large amount of money. It could be something as simple as a podcast, a YouTube channel, consulting, web design, or driving for rideshare services. Already having a relationship with Chase, perhaps with other Chase credit cards or Chase checking accounts, personal or business, should improve your approval chances. A Chase personal checking account is usually a good first step before applying for business cards because you can establish or further build your Chase relationship, easier approvals. Very often, Chase will also give a $200 bonus for opening a personal checking account, so see checking account offers through Google and review terms of what you need to do to earn the $200. Many getting started with miles and points have questions, usually about annual fees. With Chase and most credit card issuers, you'll be held to paying an annual fee in the first year, but it's well worth the investment, as with the Chase Inc. Preferred, you pay $95 for a bonus of 100,000 points and other features. After the second annual fee posts, about a year after the first annual fee, Chase gives you a 30-day grace period to decide between keeping, canceling, or changing to a no annual fee card. Sometimes calling in or using a chat feature can also allow for retention offers. With a retention offer, Chase or other issuers can waive or offset annual fees with points or statement credits. You simply explain you are considering canceling the card because of the annual fee, and sometimes you'll get a retention offer. But if you don't get a retention offer, you can change the Chase Inc. Preferred to a no annual fee card like the Chase Inc. Cash Card, or simply cancel the card and get an annual fee refund. In no case, though, should you cancel the card before the second annual fee posts, because Chase can claw back a welcome offer and blacklist you from getting future cards, because you may be viewed as gaming the system in a way they don't like. You don't want to be blacklisted because you can get additional personal and business cards with Chase. Take it relatively slowly, though, getting no more than one Chase card in a 60 to 90 day time frame, because higher application velocity risks getting shut down. Many starting with miles and points also wonder about new cards' impact on your credit scores. Many who ask this question have scores in the high 700s to 800 and above. I'm here to tell you that super high credit scores come with a high opportunity cost, because this idea of wanting a perfect credit score or a super high credit score limits people from getting new cards with high welcome offers and benefits. Chase will likely hard pull one credit bureau for a drop of likely 5 points. Temporary drop too. No big deal. However, spending on Chase business credit cards doesn't impact your personal credit, so if a statement closes with a high balance, you won't see a large drop in score. Really any. Personally, I like to maximize my credit lines on my business cards to essentially get a 30 to 60 day no interest loan with no negative impact on personal credit. I'll invest that money in other places. Use the bank's money or lines of credit to make money. Even if you don't use the full credit limit, that's fine too. Just make sure to spend the minimum $8,000 on the Chase Inc. Preferred to get the high welcome bonus. After opening and closing many cards, I haven't ruined my credit. Your credit will be fine too after applying for one card or even several. My credit scores usually peak in the high 700s, and I'm getting approved for many credit cards since 2018. Use credit scores to make money, save money, and travel at low cost, rather than just sitting on high scores, doing nothing with them. People starting with miles and points also wonder, is it worth the effort? A credit card application takes just a few minutes, and shifting spend I'm already doing to different cards is very easy. This is a low amount of effort for a huge return. I log into my credit card accounts once per week to check everything, what it should be, is everything in order, and I make needed payments. Perhaps you'll check every other week, or maybe just put cards on autopay, but I prefer manually reviewing my accounts and manually making payments. I have lots of fun with this credit card hobby, and even more using rewards for travel I otherwise wouldn't have taken because I wouldn't have paid for it. This may seem complicated or lots of information at first, as it may be a new skill for you to learn, but the payoff is big, even if you just get 1 or 2 cards a year. Many people who already manage their finances well and use existing credit cards will have a head start. For the finer points of miles and points, I'm here to help, and in addition to consulting through my Subscribe-Star page at Hurdy Gurdy Travel to guide you through the process, I have lots of free content through past podcast episodes and bonus YouTube videos. Consider adding the Chase Inc. Preferred business card to your wallet for a high welcome bonus with points worth more than $1,500 in travel or $1,000 in cash. Before signing up, please use my referral link in the show notes at no cost to you to grant me a bonus along with your bonus. Listen to past episodes with special guests to learn how they win with the miles and points hobby. Thanks for listening, and stay tuned for future episodes. Visit hurdygurdytravel.com to contact me, find me on social media, read select episode transcripts, and schedule a free consultation. Support the show through Subscribe-Star, referral links, and buying from my eBay store. Find the show on many podcast platforms and YouTube, where you can find bonus videos. Supporting me on Subscribe-Star will give you special perks, including a custom podcast episode, questions answered by upcoming guests, and monthly private one-on-one conversations, delving into more advanced topics I don't openly discuss at length in podcast episodes. Visit meetup.com/Philly Miles and Points to learn about Greater Philadelphia Travel, Credit Miles and Points meetups I host in Willow Grove, Pennsylvania. I hope to see you in person at a future event. Find a link in the show notes. I'll also be speaking at the upcoming Lake Tahoe conference Zorkfest, Zorkfest, in October of 2023, which will include social events and sessions educating about miles, points, and gambling. Find more information at zorkfest.com. That's zorkfest.com. Listen to my other podcast, the Stoic Solutions Podcast, found at stoicsolutionspodcast.com. My podcast guests and I offer practical wisdom for everyday life, inspired by the ancient tradition of Stoic philosophy from Greece and Rome. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.